80s.
Follow us on Twitter at Heart80s.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog on Annie's Diary. In this one today, we're going to get the new wheel bearings put into the hub. So what I'll do is I'll lay these out on the bench and we'll get a look at them. This is a Timken bearing kit which I purchased from Mini Spares, and because these are Timkens, these are the more expensive bearings, and the sets are matched, so the inner and outer races, they're matched against each other. I don't know if the camera will pick this up, but there is a number etched into the bearing race. Now I can't blooming see it. Right, it's just there, 3652. I doubt you'll pick that up on camera, but that's also etched on the bearing itself. Don't know if you can pick that up. Okay, so these have been obviously machined to match each other. You get your dust seals. Now there is a certain order that these seals go in. This seal has got a little lip on it, so that will be your inner, where your drive shaft is, and your little water seal as well, that sits on top of that like that. You get your outer seal, your spacer, a couple of split pins. I don't know why you get a couple, because you only really need one. And this kit, you get the spacer, but that spacer's a lot thinner than what I took off it, so I might just reuse the old spacer and just keep that as a spare. So let's get the camera in a better position, and then we'll just fire this into the hub. I'm going to use this little drifting tool. It's for drifting bearings into hubs and what have you. It's cheap. It's from eBay. I've used it a few times and it does the job quite well. So I'll use this to drift the inner race into the hub, but at the same time I'll also use an old bearing that I can sit on top of it, just to help limit the damage on it when I'm drifting it in. So I'll drift it in like that. Right, that'll be the wheel bearings in. The grease shields are in nice and snug, and even depth all the way round on both sides. It's well packed with grease, so hopefully these won't fail me. I just need to remember to put this in when I'm putting the hub back in the car. So what I'll do now is I'll just get this all cleaned up, and we'll call it a day at that. Again, another short video. If you prefer the shorter videos, let me know in the comments section. It's much easier for editing if they're shorter. And I'll see you in the next one. The next video, I'll probably get the track rod ends, or one of the track rod ends on the car anyway. And just need to wait on parts now. I could maybe get the brake caliper off and get that cleaned up as well, and have a hunt for the new brake flexi hoses, or the braided steel ones that I got, and see about getting them on the car. Anyway, once again, if you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And to all the new subscribers that I've had recently, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.